Did you know most people emotionally spend their entire paycheck within just 48 hours of getting paid? Think about that. You work hard all month, the money arrives, and before you know it, it's gone. If you make decent money but still feel broke, your income probably isn't the problem. Your system is. Today I'll show you a simple 3-step payday routine that can completely change the way you handle money. Step 1. The zero-based setup. Every dollar needs a job. Before your paycheck arrives, decide exactly where every dollar will go. Most people only budget their bills. Then they leave the remaining money sitting around. That's a mistake. Unassigned money gets spent. Give every extra dollar a mission. Pay off debt. Build an emergency fund. Save for holidays. Save for future expenses. Remember this: money loves organization, and chaos is expensive. Step 2. Fund the future you. Now let's talk about your future. Most people spend everything on today's version of themselves, but wealthy people pay their future selves first. Even if it's only 3% to 5% of your income, start investing automatically. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start now, because every dollar invested today is working for the future version of you. And here's another powerful habit. Spend a small amount every month on learning. A book, an audiobook, a course. New information creates new opportunities, and new opportunities create new income. Step 3. Dodge lifestyle inflation. This is where most people fail. They get a raise, then immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A better car, more subscriptions, more spending, and somehow, they're still broke. The biggest money trap isn't low income. It's increasing your expenses every time your income increases. When you earn more, increase your investments first, not your spending. Building wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about creating a system that works even when you're not thinking about money. Try this 3-step payday routine on your next paycheck, and watch what happens over the next year. Now I want to know, which of these 3 steps do you struggle with the most? Comment below. And if you want more psychology-backed money habits that actually work, subscribe to the Earning Hacks if you want to understand the psychology behind money, success, and human behavior.